I will show you two big differences with and without my gimbal. It's a gimbal special designed for inspired drone. Turn without gimbal, and you have this pendulum effect on a drone when you're flying. Now turn on the gimbal and do the same thing and push, leave it. Oops, and it stops immediately. Again, show, push it to the side and drop it. Up, stabilize it. Turn off the gimbal and again push it and drop it, and you will have this not possible to stabilize in the post-production if you have this pendulum effect. That's why I create this very interesting solution. To the left side, but I don't have so much space. You can see it stabilizes it immediately from this side. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to shoot something special for your VR project. Bye.